If you're managing arthritis, you're likely aware that diet can impact your symptoms. While some foods are known to have anti-inflammatory effects, others may contribute to inflammation and worsen arthritis symptoms. Here are several good foods that are often considered healthy but may not be the best choice for those with arthritis. Moderating or avoiding these foods can help you manage pain and inflammation more effectively. 1. Dairy products. Dairy foods such as milk, cheese, and yogurt are rich in calcium and protein, which are generally beneficial for bone health. However, they can sometimes exacerbate arthritis symptoms. Casein, a protein found in dairy, can trigger inflammation in some people, particularly those sensitive to it. If you notice joint discomfort after consuming dairy, consider switching to plant-based alternatives like almond or oat milk. 2. Red meats. Red meats, like beef and pork, contain saturated fats and advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which can increase inflammation and may aggravate arthritis pain. While red meat can be a good source of protein and iron, studies show that it can stimulate inflammation in the body, especially when consumed in excess. Lean poultry or plant-based proteins, like lentils and beans, offer protein without as much inflammatory risk. 3. Whole wheat and gluten-containing foods. Whole wheat and other gluten-containing grains are healthy for most people due to their high fiber content and essential nutrients. However, some people with arthritis, especially those with autoimmune arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis, may have a sensitivity to gluten, which can trigger joint inflammation. If you find that wheat and gluten worsen your symptoms, try gluten-free grains like quinoa, brown rice, or buckwheat. 4. Vegetable oils high in omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6 fatty acids, found in oils such as corn, sunflower, safflower, and soybean oils, can be beneficial in moderation. However, excessive consumption of omega-6 fatty acids can lead to an imbalance with omega-3s, which promotes inflammation. Instead, consider switching to oils with a better omega-3 to omega-6 balance, such as olive oil, or incorporate more omega-3 rich foods like flax seeds, walnuts, and fatty fish. 5. Added sugars and sugary drinks. While sweets and sugary drinks aren't usually touted as good foods, items like fruit juice and smoothies can sometimes contain hidden sugars, which are often viewed as health foods. High sugar intake can lead to increased inflammation, worsen arthritis symptoms, and contribute to weight gain, putting additional strain on your joints. Opt for water, herbal teas, and whole fruits to satisfy your sweet cravings while limiting added sugar. 6. Alcohol. Alcohol, especially beer, can trigger arthritis pain due to its purine content, which the body metabolizes into uric acid. For people with gout, a form of arthritis, this can be particularly problematic. Alcohol can also interfere with medications used to manage arthritis, so it's best to consume it sparingly or avoid it entirely if you notice a pattern of worsened symptoms after drinking. 7. Certain processed foods. Highly processed foods like deli meats, snack bars, and frozen meals may seem convenient and sometimes even healthy when marketed as low-fat or high-protein. However, these foods often contain additives, preservatives, and high levels of sodium, which can promote inflammation, and are generally best avoided for arthritis management. Opt for minimally processed options, such as homemade meals and fresh ingredients. Changing your diet can be challenging, but it's worth it for reducing arthritis-related pain. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you're on medication for arthritis, as some foods can interact with treatment.